we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Now we remove the plastic protectors. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.